Saturday, 6th of July, 2024. 10 o'clock, 83 degrees, going to 93. We're in Stockbridge, Georgia. Waiting on Larry to get here in the van, so don't y'all be shocked when you see the van. We're going to, if it's, you know, hopefully it's going to be in good shape except for the way it looks. And we can make a deal, but I really doubt we're going to be able to. He's wanting $2,500 and I'm not prepared to give him that. We'll just have to see, but we're at the Kroger at Kingsbridge, 1750 Kingsbridge in Stockbridge, Georgia. So when he gets here, he should be getting here pretty quick. We'll check out the van, get some pictures of it, see if we can make a deal. If not, we'll leave him. Well, he's got our number. I've got his number. May try to get back with him at some point in time. If we're gonna go into Kroger and do a little shopping when we leave, or when we get squared away here. Well, let's turn this off for right now. We'll get video when he gets here. Well, here he comes. It's a GMC, not a Chevrolet. Okay, let's see what it looks like. I got kids, but they're busy and all this other stuff. You know, one of them's in Marietta and the other one's over in Winder, and he's got his daughter working with him, and he's busy with work, all kind of stuff.
Yeah, actually my daughter, she just...
Well, it's a little bit rougher mechanically than I was wanting it to be. I offered him $1,500, he didn't take it, so I'm not going to give any more than that for it. Which way do we want to go back? Yeah, I think we got a squeaking, I think maybe water pump or either alternator, power steering. Same engine, transmission, rear end, everything that this one is. Windshield's cracked. The main thing I could use off of it would be the back driver's side door. I mean, right away. Anything else, it would just sit as a parts vehicle. Unless catalytic converters. I'll do some more thinking about it, but I'm not going to. I'll let him do thinking about it. If he'd take 15, I told him I'd give him 15. That'll be about it. So I think we will turn this off and wrap it up. This will be sort of a short video. It must be $675. You reckon?